PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Let's learn the hook serve of Lin Shidong.
Beautiful. Was that pressing against the opponent's push? Then how should he respond to you? He needs to keep up with your speed. He needs quick reaction and be able to counter with power. Otherwise, he'll be overwhelmed, right? If he's focused on that. You can flip to his forehand, push to his middle, or push wide. Many push options. Alright, you said it. I pushed here. It was strong. I pressed him. I flipped forehand. Forehand pressure. I can also push to the middle. When he's watching the sides, I push to the body. What else can I do? Slow down the rhythm when pushing. Change the tempo compared to those fast, strong pushes. Your flips are fast too, right? And your strong pushes are fast. What if you suddenly push a slow one? If he can't adjust, he'll mistime the shot. Mistimed, and it's chaos. Exactly. Give him a softer one, with a gentle touch. A soft push pop. There it is, slight deception. Yes, more variation. This one is a strong push, yeah, right. Pay attention to my strong push, sudden bam, I soften it. What else can I do? Why push? After the hook serve, the opponent resets with a small step. Now he's square to the table. When he watches both sides, I push to the body. Awkward, right? Yeah. After serving, you recover to face the table. Your body faces the table straight up. You're stepping back into and now you're covering both wings. But if I push to your body, that's the most awkward. Once I push there, you feel uncomfortable, then I switch to your backhand, or flip to your forehand. Now your focus shifts again, when I pull your attention wide. I return to attack your body. Table tennis is always a game of minds. You read me, I read you. I make a move, you counter. You move, I counter back. Chairman Liu. Watch this one. You can't really teach serving just by forcing it. One day, suddenly, you just feel, yes, this feeling of yours is great, very explosive. Your imitation skills are amazing. Looks just like him. Watch this one. Haha. So natural. Why? Because I can do any motion, I'm relaxed. You understand? Small triangle. Right now you're moving too much from back to front. After the ball drops, you're always pushing it out. Of course it has no spin. Right. It's like you're holding a tray. The ball has to drop, right? When you toss the ball, you need to pull back a bit. Look, you toss and pull away, then catch the fallen ball. See, how to spin now. You're pushing the ball out. You're just pushing it out, no spin. Now catch it. Use force towards your body. There's spin now, right? It drops down. You wait underneath. Let it drop down. Catch it, then use force towards your body. Now there's spin. Toss it up. Catch it. Ah, toss it up. Catch it. Even for long balls, toss it up. Catch it. Don't wait for it to catch it and use force towards your body. It shouldn't feel like this. Toss it up.
Read more about table tennis on my blog. PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.